In recent years, Iran's missile program has drawn intense global attention, not because of public parades or televised launches, but because of what is not being shown. Behind mountains, underground complexes, and restricted military zones, Iran is believed to be expanding a new generation of ballistic missile production lines, largely undisclosed, heavily protected, and strategically designed to survive modern warfare. So what do we actually know about Iran's next-generation ballistic missile factories, and why are intelligence agencies increasingly concerned? For years, analysts focused on Iran's missile test range, accuracy, and payload. But today the focus has shifted to something more critical. Because a missile arsenal is not defined by what can be launched once, but by what can be replaced, scaled, and sustained during conflict. Iran appears to have learned this lesson well. Unlike traditional missile factories, Iran's newer facilities are believed to be built deep underground, spread across multiple regions, connected by tunnel networks, and hardened against airstrikes and bunker-buster weapons. Satellite imagery analysis suggests that many of these sites are not launch bases, but industrial-scale manufacturing hubs. This means Iran is not just storing missiles, it is preparing to produce them continuously, even during wartime. Iran rarely announces new missile factories. Instead, their existence is often revealed indirectly through tunnel entrance construction, unusual logistics activity, power infrastructure expansion, and transport convoys moving at night. This level of secrecy suggests these facilities are considered strategic national assets, comparable in importance to nuclear infrastructure. While Iran has not disclosed exact models, analysts believe these production lines support medium-range ballistic missiles, precision-guided variants, solid-fuel missile systems, and potential hypersonic glide vehicle components. Solid-fuel missiles are especially important. They require less preparation time, are easier to store, and can be launched more rapidly. And crucially, they are harder to detect before launch. Iran's earlier missile strategy emphasized volume. Newer factories appear optimized for precision and survivability. Advancements reportedly include improved guidance systems, better terminal accuracy, reduced radar signatures, and modular missile components. This signals a doctrinal shift. Fewer missiles, but each one more reliable and harder to intercept. Iran's undisclosed missile factories indicate preparation for prolonged conflict, sustained missile campaigns, and replacement of losses under fire. This is not a short war mindset. This is long-term strategic planning. Missile defense systems are designed to intercept launches, not factories. Once missiles are produced underground, preemptive strikes become riskier, intelligence certainty drops, and deterrence calculations change. Destroying a hidden production line requires perfect intelligence, something no military can guarantee. Iran's neighbors are watching closely. Countries across the Middle East now face a scenario where missile inventories can be replenished quickly, precision strikes become more feasible, and escalation thresholds are lowered. This pushes regional militaries to invest more in missile defense, early warning systems, and preemptive doctrines, which in turn fuels an arms race. Unlike nuclear facilities, missile factories are not restricted by international treaties. This gives Iran legal flexibility. No inspectors, no declared limits, no production caps. As a result, missile manufacturing remains one of Iran's least regulated but most powerful strategic tools. There is no confirmed evidence that these production lines are manufacturing nuclear-armed missiles.